Hey guys, how's it going? Maniac Mower here. I apologize about the wind. I figured I'd do something a little bit different here today. For those who don't know, this is my truck. I don't drive yet, but I do have one for using it around the house. What happened on it is when I first got it, the door handle was busted. It was cracked, but it was still on there. And the door handle finally broke off. So, figured what we'd do today is we're going to go on ahead and we're going to change the door knob. We'll change the door handle. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. It's pretty simple. All you got to do is unscrew this, and here's two screws you pop out and you pull the panel off. Oh, you got to pull a little ring back behind here. And then after that, it's pretty simple. So let's go on ahead and do that. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this out, this pin, because that's the hardest thing to do on these trucks. Let me get my screwdriver. Usually you just want to do the hardest thing first. Get it out of the way and over with. Let's see if I can see. Alright you guys, I'm back. Went and got these. See if we can get out of here with this. Look at that! Ha! Got it! Don't want to lose it. We'll put it in. Look at that! Finally! Let's roll the window down. Since we got it. Put that over there. Alright. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pull the two screws out of here. Then we're going to pull this. There's a wire, actually there's pins all around here you got to pop. You want to try not to break them. Then for this speaker there's going to be a wire that you got to pull out of it. So, set that down. I will go grab it. Alright you guys, I'm back. Pop these cover off. If I need it, I have an extension for this. This screwdriver just doesn't give me enough. Alright, let's try this again. I didn't want to jump any of the things. And this gives me better... Oh, I don't want to tighten it, I want to loosen out of there. Alright, next one. Maybe this one won't be as tight. Looks like someone's been on this one before. Yeah, I'll bet you whoever was in here before me. This is even. Out, which is fine. I don't want it to. Let's get this screw out of here. Oh, that wasn't as bad. We can get that out. Alright, let's try this again. I want to check the other two, make sure I have them loose. They should have came out like that. Do I have it? No, it's... I wonder if they screw into the plastic. They don't want them to come out. That's why I went after them with this. That one lopsided. I just want to know if it's out of there or not. I'm trying to figure out. There we go. That one's out. Now, that one's loose. I can see it. That one was stuck. So there's pins all around. There's some on bottom and there's some on top. That's what we're going to try to get. And then there's one wire left. We don't want to break them, but we want to get it off. try to help pry on that. Well, I don't want to. What are those pins at? You're supposed to pull on. There we go. We got it. There's that screw. Want to be careful. You don't want to get wires. That speaker stays in there. This up here, that's the speaker I was talking about. You don't want to let that one go because there's a wire in there. I don't remember if that comes out with it or not. Alright, I want to pull this wire off this plug and then I'll show you guys it when I get it out. You guys are probably laughing at me. Get it when I pull the plastic off. Let's try to find out what we're missing. Get it. What in the hell? Are we missing one? Oh, wait a minute. No. I thought something was still screwed. Is it? It shouldn't be. We haven't screwed everything. Oh, the door handle. We gotta pull this out of here. Oops. That's right. How do you pull the door handle through? Oh, you slide it over like that. And then I'm not going to pull it out. There's a thing in there you got to pull also. I forgot about that. I didn't. There we go. Yeah, laugh it out. Oh, that's screwed in there. We'll take it out with, I guess. Alright, let's get this. Now let's pull this wire off. remind me to put it. That's the wire you gotta pull. I'll show you guys where. That's it right there. You can't see. Turn you over here. Right here. That's it. Let me put this over here. Alright, I'm back. So now, this off here. Let me see. Okay, I see how it goes on. Alright. Let me put you guys where you can see. You guys have a better spot than I do. In here, right here is your doorknob, your door handle you want to pull out. This right here is there's this, I can't see it. There's a, right here. Here's a clip. You gotta pull this clip. I'm not sure which, I don't remember what way you pull that. But that comes out, then you unbolt your door with these bolts on here. And once you unbolt your door, you should be able to. You don't want to break your clip. I need to remember what way. The door I was looking at was the passenger door. Flipped around. Oh, I see. Right up here, actually. I was looking at the wrong place. This up here is what you want to remove. So I think what I'm going to try and go on ahead and do is unbolt it, the door handle from the truck, and see if I can get it out. Without pulling those clips. And I'll pull them out. Alright, you guys, I'm back. There is just no way to get it down. Size down. This is the way. No. Get in my way. This one's smaller. No. 10mm. Let's try that. There we go. Alright. This one, from what I remember, is the smallest. No, it ain't. There's a bolt in there that's pretty small. I can't remember which one it is. I think it's the one up top. We're going to pull this one off right here because this is the easiest. And I teach you guys the best way to do it is to pull the hardest one off first, which it is. Sometimes this is better off. This paper in here is waterproofing, for those who are wondering. That's why it's in here. I'm loosening that, right? I think by now. This isn't a reverse thread, is it? Well, now it's just free spinning. It's not wanting to go anywhere. I have a funny feeling that it's broke. Well, I got a new handle anyway, so I don't care. Why is that not coming out of there? That's stuck. There's another one over there. That one's the worst to get to. Unless that pries out. That's what this is for. Pull that out of there and try it. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So I want to get it out. There we go. Ha! Look at that. Yes, it is. That's an access hole. Alright, let's get this out of here. Alright, let's see. There we go. That came most easy. A lot easier than the other one. Yeah. I think the other one's stripped out. I think that's what's wrong with it. Yeah. That's cool that they put an access hole here. Glad that they did. in there. Alright, well. We got that bolt out of there. We gotta get the other one out, I know. But I just want to make sure that it's... I want to see if it's... I don't honestly care what happened. We got that screw out. I'm trying to find it. You would think that it just fall into the bottom. Fall somewhere up. No. That's what we're looking at right there. That shouldn't be that hard to get. Why is it? I have a funny feeling. Pry on that linkage. I keep wanting to. I almost wonder if that's just spinning around in there. It's connected. It should just come out of there, I think. Let me try my discovered access and see if we can get that away. We're going to see if we can get to that through here. And then see if let me break that out. No, it won't. There. It started moving. There we go. Yeah, it was stripped. I'm gonna see if I can get... Idiot. I'm gonna force it if it won't. Or is it just because this is stuck? This gasket wants to come off with it. I'm not sure if it should or not. I didn't see a new one with the new handle. Okay, if I do that, it's gonna pull on the linkage. Let me see if I can get that linkage off of there real quick. So I figured out what I was doing wrong. These clips, you pry them up. Actually, you pry them over to the side, you don't pry them up. I couldn't see it because this was on bottom. Actually, I don't remember. I left this in here. I think I'm gonna leave it, actually. But I didn't realize how these worked until that, so. Whoops. So here's the new handle I got. Thank God it comes with new clips. Let me get this open. I'm just gonna leave the key there. Oh, it comes with a new gasket. This one here, I have no clue what its deal is. I just don't want to come out. So let's try to get this little guy out of here. It should be. Locked. Let's try this again. Let's grab my vice grips. Thought I could get it out of there with channel locks, but still rolling. Yeah, there's okay. Alright. It's too loose. It's too loose. Alright you guys, I found another bolt, so let's go on ahead and put this in here. We're going to put, while I remember, we're going to do that. Slide this in. Should we do it in the truck or? I think you're able to get it in there with it on there. No, you're not, right? No. Yeah. Pull that back out. We got to put it in the door first. This gasket just keeps coming off. I'm about to just stick it on there and forget about it. Let's push that in. That looks a lot better. Look at that new door handle. Swing you guys around. Don't want that to fall, but I don't want it to. Alright, let's get this linkage in here. There's videos of this on YouTube. If you guys want to go look at one, I'm gonna be honest with you, I have no clue what I'm doing. At least that's the way it seems. I hate looking like I don't know what I'm doing, but oh, I got it. Let's try this again. Sometimes things are a pain. Alright. So first I'm going to put the lock in. I'm not going to bolt it on there yet. Yeah, there is a way. Put this in here. Right? Yeah. You want the, I'll show you when I get it in there. You want this to slide into that little notch they have cut out right here, if you can see it. There's a notch there. Try and get the thing in there. There we go. We got it. Yep. Alright, now hook that linkage back up first. There. This gas is stay. I could get it in there just if the gasket would stay where it's supposed to. It would be even better. Oh, now I got it. Come on. There, we got it. Okay. Now, gasket's in there. I got it right. Let's get lock linkage slid into its hole. We can see it. There. There we go. There. There we go. We got it. Alright. So let's get this. I can't see this one. That one I could. Through my little hole. That's what we have to play with. That's it. I had it. Yes. Okay, let's get this. I got you hooked up. So too late. Alright, now let's get this. For this one, I'm going to use a screwdriver. Now let's get that other bolt put in there. That one shouldn't be such a pain. And once this one's in there, that's it. Alright. Let's get it in here started. I had to grab a different bolt, so this one's not like the other. But hopefully I won't have to mess with it again. Whoever buys it will deal with it. Next owner will hopefully have to deal with it. Not me. What is that being such a pain? Weird. Alright, well, let's close it and see if it will let us open it. If it opens, we're good. Now I want to do stuff. Ready? That looks so much better. Look at that. Well, I would say it works. So now we're going to go on ahead and waterproof that, fix it, and we'll put that plug back in. And I would say, am I zoomed in? Oh no. I would say we've got her. There we go. It's back on here and then grab a roll of duct tape. I'll do that. For those of you who are wondering, that's your waterproof. That's what keeps water out. And if that's not there and water gets in, I really wish I wouldn't have had to pull it out to begin with. I should hold it on there. That's pretty strong box tape. It's not duct tape by any means, but it's pretty strong. And it looks a lot nicer than duct tape. If I ever end up selling it, I doubt I will. Whoever buys it can look at this and go, that must have cared. Battery's going dead. Let me put this last bit of tape on here and then I'll give you guys a new battery. Don't go to sleep on me. Try to keep it. taped off good enough so that I like the fact that it has drain holes on the bottom. I was going to drill some in it since I had it open, but I see it's already got them, so that's good. Figured I could drill some holes in it while I've got the... So I can easily vacuum it out. Yeah, somebody's been in here before. Looks good. Alright, so now I gotta grab that tin. We're gonna grab that piece, flip it back over, give you guys a new battery. Alright, it is starting to sprinkle, so I'm gonna go on ahead and just hurry up and try to get this done. What we need to do now is put this go in here, I don't remember. There we go, I got it. Works. Look at that. Looks like nothing ever happened to it. Alright, you guys. Well, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next video. Oh man, I'm late for work. Didn't do as much damage to it as I thought it would. Still looks about the same. Alright.